Netflix problems on your EE box are frustrating, but usually fixable with simple troubleshooting steps. The most common issues stem from app conflicts, authentication problems, or network connectivity issues. First, perform a complete restart sequence. This resolves many temporary glitches and connection issues. Unplug your EE box from power for 30 seconds, then restart your home router. Finally, power on your router first. Wait for it to fully boot, then power on your TV box. Next, reset the Netflix app to clear any corrupted data. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, then find Netflix. Clear both the cache and data, force stop the application, and then restart the Netflix app. This fixes most app-related issues. Finally, verify your network connection. Test your internet speed. You need at least 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Check if other streaming services work properly to isolate the issue. Consider changing your DNS settings to 8.8.8.8 or 1.11.1 for better connectivity. These 3 quick fixes resolve most Netflix problems on EE boxes. Start with the restart sequence, then reset the Netflix app, and finally verify your network connection. These steps successfully resolve about 70% of common Netflix issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced login solutions become necessary. These methods address deeper authentication and account-related issues that prevent Netflix from working properly in your EE box. First, sign out of Netflix on all your devices. This clears any conflicting authentication tokens that might be causing login failures across multiple platforms. Next, clear browser cookies if you use Netflix through a web interface. Corrupted cookies can prevent proper authentication even after password resets. Reset your Netflix password completely. This ensures fresh authentication credentials and resolves any security-related login blocks that may have been triggered. Finally, check for account suspension or payment issues. Netflix may block access if there are billing problems or if the account has been flagged for unusual activity. Moving on to advanced update solutions, these methods address app and system-level problems that prevent Netflix from updating properly on your EE box. For update-related issues, manual intervention is often required. Start by manually updating the Netflix app through the Google Play Store on your EE box. Check for system software updates through your EE settings menu. Outdated system firmware can cause compatibility issues with newer Netflix app versions. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your EE box. Remember to back up your settings first, as this will erase all customizations and require complete reconfiguration. For playback problems, hardware and connection issues often require specific technical solutions beyond basic troubleshooting. Advanced playback solutions focus on streaming quality, connection integrity, and hardware compatibility issues that affect Netflix performance. Adjust streaming quality settings within the Netflix app. Lower quality settings can resolve buffering issues on slower connections or older hardware. Check your HDMI cable connections thoroughly. Loose or damaged HDMI cables can cause video dropouts, audio sync issues, and complete playback failures. Verify your TV's HDCP compliance for protected content. Older TVs may not support the latest HDCP standards required for high-definition Netflix streaming. Looking toward the future, the relationship between EE boxes and Netflix will continue evolving with both technological advances and industry changes. The future outlook for EE and Netflix integration involves both short-term improvements and long-term technological evolution. In the short term, expect continued minor compatibility issues as both Netflix and EE platforms evolve their software. However, improved diagnostic tools from EE will help customers resolve issues more quickly. Long-term, migration to newer EE box hardware with better Netflix optimization is expected. This will include more powerful processors, increased memory, and native support for the latest streaming standards. Enhanced integration between EE's customer support and Netflix technical teams will provide faster resolution times and more accurate troubleshooting guidance for users experiencing issues.